What I'm going to take you through now is how to calibrate your instrument. Now, calibration is very important. It makes sure that your Optimus Plus Sound Level Meter is as accurate as possible before you start taking your measurements. Calibration is important both before you take your measurements and after. If you calibrate before and if you calibrate after you take your measurements, then you can be assured that all of the measurements you've taken are accurate. So let's do a calibration. We're going to use obviously our sound level meter, and we're also going to use our calibrator. So the calibrator has a button on the top to turn it on and off, and then on the base you'll see a small hole. And what we're going to do is we're going to take our sound level meter, we're going to remove the windshield for this exercise, and then what we're going to do is we're going to place the calibrator on top of the sound level meter directly onto the microphone. So I'll do it this way around so you can maybe see it. So it's going to go into this hole, and I'm just going to push. It doesn't go in very far. So now I've got the calibrator on, and what I'm going to do then is turn this on by pressing the button. And what you'll see when you look at the screen is you'll see a constant noise level. That's because your calibrator is generating a tone, usually 94 decibels or thereabout, at 1 kilohertz. And we're going to use this tone in the sound level meter to calibrate the instrument. So your Optimus Plus sound level meter is going to listen to that tone and make any adjustments automatically that it needs. But what it's also going to do is it's going to log that calibration value. And it's also going to log the adjustment that it's made, which is called the offset. It's usually point something of a decibel. When we were looking earlier at setting the date and time, it's very critical that you make sure the date and time are accurate before you do the calibration. And the reason for this is because of it logging the fact you've done a calibration. It's going to log the date and time that you've done the calibration, and so you need that to be accurate. So I've got this on, we've got a constant noise level there coming from the calibrator on top. We're going to press this soft key here which says calibrate. In a split second, it's made a small offset, it's done the calibration, it will have logged these details, then all you have to do is press OK. And now we can see we've got a value which is the accurate value for our Cirrus Optimus Plus sound level meter of 93.7 decibels. Once that's done, we can take this off by pulling, make sure you don't twist, and then we can turn this off and put that to one side. Our instrument now has an accurate date and time, we've got plenty of battery, and we've done a calibration, and we're now ready to go. But remember, pop your windshield back on.